A breakthrough for Parkinson's patients, and it started right here at Stanford. It's a type of deep brain stimulation that slows down the symptoms of Parkinson's disease.
Stretch your arm out, palm to the floor, palm to the ceiling, all the way around, fast as you can go.
What is the difference between deep brain stimulation and then adaptive DBS?
For the longest time, deep brain stimulation, which is a brain pacemaker, has not been able to sense the brain's electrical rhythms. It's just been on 24/7 at the same parameters for everybody. And so what adaptive deep brain stimulation is, now the sensing neurostimulator can sense the brain's electrical rhythms. It's using algorithms to drive more sort of biological deep brain stimulation that's only on in different parameters when needed, as opposed to just being on 24/7. So if you had continuous deep brain stimulation, you'd just see a flat line. There's an arrhythmia in the brain, just like we have an arrhythmia in the heart. It's biological, and everybody's rhythm is different. And so we need to have a stimulator that's not just barraging at a high amplitude when it's not needed. So it's really only going down at night, which is what it should do. Right?
When were you diagnosed with Parkinson's? At what age, and how did you know? What kind of symptoms did you have?
I was diagnosed at age 42 in 1997. I had all the classic symptoms: tremor, rigidity, akinesia, and posture.
With deep brain stimulation, how have those symptoms subsided?
The progression has continued, but I think it's continued at a slower rate. And there was an abrupt improvement right afterwards. My tremor all but disappeared, and I just felt better because I was able to get by with fewer drugs. I dropped my medication way back, and it stayed relatively low. And it just makes my day-to-day quality of life a lot better.
It goes in steps, basically.
It took a lot of work to get to this point, a lot of your life's work here at Stanford. How significant is this for you personally?
It's not just here at Stanford, but we did implant the first sensing neurostimulator in the United States in 2013. We had been developing ways to measure movement in my lab for a very long time, and this completely expanded our research.
This must be a personal achievement. I see a big bright smile on your face.
Yeah, sometimes I'm not sure I can put it all together, except it's like you're riding a wave and the wave just keeps going, and you're not quite sure sort of where it's going to stop. Being able to see this help people, we see improvement immediately. It's one of the most rewarding things to do. I'll never forget that the first gentleman who enrolled in the study said, "I know this won't help me, but it will help my tribe." They're so ready to help with research because they know that at some point, someday, this will help other people. Now that day has come.
Now that you have a DBS, where do you go from here? What are you looking forward to?
I've got 3 grandkids now, and that's going to be fun. So I want to hold out as long as I can for them. Just a good quality of life, just feeling good from day to day.